bam, 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 bam. Come on. Oh, hey, it's done. Yay. Hello, people. How are you all doing today? It's very early for once. Do you believe in love after love? Okay. Ooh. It is Wednesday, my dude. Hey, what up? Not much. Getting ready to play the demo. If it load. What's happened to Pigeon? He just doesn't get on that much anymore. Not much I could do about it. Where's Gyagos? Probably asleep. Doing something productive. I don't know. How do you get the demo? You search it up on the Xbox Store or Windows 10 PC, like Xbox Store thing, and then you'll find it. It's in the store now. I was trying to look it up last night. It wasn't there. Yeah, I don't think. Oh, I didn't see any of the other options. I didn't mean to do that. Whoops. Is it free? Yes. The demo is free. Subtitles. Colorblind. Okay. I didn't miss much. Can you ask Jack to join? He's probably in school right now, so no. Oh, you're out of school because of the hurricane, so you're on the East Coast then. Oof.
Here's what I see. See a festival that never ends. Where you can be whatever you want to be.
Cool thing about this is that I literally haven't
not
played
your dream
anything
holiday
like this
anymore.
since E3.
It's
Oh
your
my
dream
God.
life.
So, Liberty Walk R8 with a roof box. That's so
That's
sick.
the horizon I see. Let me show you.
Alright, yeah, let's get on the road. And wait for it.
Welcome to autumn. A
Wait,
new
oh,
beginning for
come
the
on.
festival that never ends. Don't go anywhere.
Wait for it. Oh,
Horizon
here
is
we
here
go.
to stay.
And pause, because I need to change stuff. Difficulty off. No, let's leave that on, because we're in a race car. Off. Accept. Audio. Need to lower this down. Put it at 2. Yo, streamer mode. Turn that on? It doesn't have a description, so I can't even see what it is. New Senna 570. Senna, 100%. This, dude, a lot of people don't think this car looks good, but after seeing it in real life, it's beautiful. Trust me. It's not in the store. It was for me. Try restarting your Xbox if you haven't yet. Maybe that'll do it. I'm gonna turn damage off. Aim select. Ooh.
Hi. Great to have you here. Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't know your name.
Bruh. Bruh. What the heck? Ooh, that's cool. Dude, nicknames would be so good if everyone played this game in our crew. Where is it? D, come on. There it is, okay. Daisy, Dakota, Dan, Danny, Damien, Dalton, Dallas, Dale. Where the heck is my name? I don't see it. Am I blind? David. Debbie. Where's my Destiny? David, Diana, Dimitri. Oh, that's Dimitar? What? Donald. There it is. There we go. Alright. Should be good now. Okay. Okay, that car came a lot quicker than I thought it would. How long does the demo last for? The demo is infinite. It's permanent. The demo is here forever. Hey. This game is the best you've ever played. Same. Even though it's just a demo. I wasn't one of the people that was able to go and record early gameplay because I'm not famous enough. Yeah, Roach, that's what I thought, but I watched Jack's video and it said something about the music, I'm guessing. So it's like for content creators so they don't get like copyrighted. Which I'm not complaining about. Oh, what did I do? Oh, I went in photo mode, my bad. Okay, that was a really long loading screen. Yeah, I can definitely tell it's probably the music, because this sounds like I can't even see what song's playing. I'm gonna feel bad for calling this a Marshmello song if I'm wrong, but it's what it sounds like. My question is once you're done with the demo, how much of the map is available? That's what I want to see. Because it's like, literally everything that you're seeing right now is what we've already seen at like E3 and early gameplay. Still no demo? I don't know, maybe it hasn't showed up for you yet, but this is definitely the demo. It's right there on my screen, so. I don't know what to tell you, honestly. Cause like once I typed in Forza Horizon 4, like it didn't come up with the demo. I had to type out the whole thing, like Forza Horizon 4 demo, and then it popped up. But are you buying the Ultimate Edition or bought it already?
Alright guys, this'll be easy. Just don't miss
I'm not pre-ordering it yet, cause Jack might be able to get me a code, which would be really cool, cause that would save me a lot of money. But if I were to, if I had to, like, actually pre-order it, I obviously would get the Ultimate Edition.
Did we just lose yellow?
Oh. This game is so nice looking, dude. I can't wait. Freaking 17, like, 16 days left. This area right here to the left is going to be so fun for Infection, I bet. Oh, that's a rock.
Hey, Blue,
Can you go through this
press the needle
too?
with me.
Oh my god, you can't. You can. Yeah. Oh my god, I almost hit the pink bike.
Red's down, red's down.
Looks like I'm the only one left.
And dramatic slow motion. Hoonigan Ford Escort or Mustang Hoonicorn?
This is it, Horizon.
I gotta go with the Kazi, dude. Rest in peace to the freaking Kazi. I love the Kazi so much. It's such a freaking nice car. The Hoonicorn is awesome and all, but like we've seen that more than the Kazi. So I'd rather see the freaking Cosworth. It's so sad to hear that it burned down and to see freaking images, and the in-car footage is freaking scary of him rolling that thing.
He's People are lining the streets to get a load of the action. Cheer these racers on, guys. Come on.
Cheer on, get out of the way. Move. Oh, these slow you down. Okay, I didn't know that.
The most incredible hypercars are all here. I can see a Centenario, Ferrari FXXK, and a beautiful Bugatti Chiron. And is that a Vulcan? Oh, Horizon, you do not want to miss out on watching this. Look at that Senna go. I mean, the car, sure, but someone's got to be handling that thing.
Yeah, that's me, and I'm not that good of a driver. All these AI are driving more straight than I am.
I can't breathe.
Oh. Congratulations, playing the demo, you unlocked it. Oh, that's sick! You can unlock freaking exclusive stuff? That's awesome! Oh, no. No. I'm not buying anything yet. Looks like a freaking castle. How do I play this? You gotta look it up on the stores. For some people, it's probably not showing right now for some reason.
Quite a show.
Stinky Guy, Stinky Gay and Jack Plays. Thank you guys for subbing.
Great. Okay. Do we have Dustin?
What's the? Are you talking about the car burn? Ken Block's Cosworth burned down. He rolled it during a rally, and it burned down. This guy's freaking haircut, I hate it so much. Screw it, I'll choose this guy. Getting demo at the moment, okay.
Hey, nice to meet you. I'm Kira, director of the festival. Looks like you've made a good impression with our talent scouts.
This one might have a real chance of taking a spot on the roster.
Rebecca's one of our former champions. She's giving me a hand running the Horizon Road Racing series.
Excited? I remember my first day at Horizon. It's all pretty surreal, huh?
I'll leave you two to get set up for
What's
the
your
first
favorite
race.
skin in
Good luck.
Fortnite? I don't know
Right
at this
then,
point.
let's get you behind the wheel. Which one will it be?
Probably the Bunny Brawler skin. Alright guys, what car do you want me to pick? The Charger RT, the TTS Coupe, or the RS? I'll wait until you guys say that in the comments. I want you guys to pick what I do through here. Season is the best, by the way. I subscribe. What season? Oh, for the game? I have no idea. I haven't played all of them. I don't think. Well, they showcased that before this, but I need a lot more playtime to be able to. Figure that one out. TTS Coupe, RS, TTS, Focus, Charger, TTS, RS, Charger, TTS, TTS, RS. Oh, well, you're just spamming, so. Focus, TTS. I'm seeing a lot of TTS, not just the fact that Jack Plays is spamming, but a lot of people are actually saying TTS. How about I just try and do a random one? Like, I'll just freaking spam this, because I have my eyes closed right now, and I actually don't even know what I'm on. Spam my freaking left stick. What car am I gonna get? Oh, I got the
Nice
RS.
choice.
Okay.
Maybe the hottest hatch on the planet right now. And designed right here in Britain, don't you know?
Designed right here in Britain, don't you know? Get in car. Yes.
All right, let's
Ooh.
get you set up with a personalized number plate. Go on, be creative.
A-S-T-Y-D. Okay. Where's the blank one? Here you are. So this year we have green, blue, and red thingy. The red sticks out more. Obviously, you pick that. There we go. Yay! Jack got the RL. Well, I had my freaking eyes closed and I just chose a random one. Like, obviously, I'll play through this multiple times and it's not going to save, so I'll try every car.
I expect you'll want to get a
Probably
feel for
not
a new car.
during the stream,
So
but...
I've signed you up to some events to get you started. See you there.
Oy. What am I doing? This? Whoa. You can enter the festival? What? You weren't able to do this last time, or in FH3, I don't think. What? It sounds like a boat horn. That's awesome. Okay, so the freaking warthog horn is locked. That makes me sad. Okay. I see a horn that catches my eye, and Jack was not lying about it. Oh my god, these are so sick. Bro, I'm skipping the Halo theme. I'm saving that for last. Oh, they have those freaking do re mi fa. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. The bowling pin thing. Oh, that's gonna be awesome. That sounds like something out of freaking Pacific Rim, I swear. Can you have a shout out to Katie Broadbridge? I hope I say that right. Play GTA? No, man, I'm playing the demo. I'm surprised they let you go inside the festival. What the heck? That's gonna be annoying. Oh, if he did that one song, the freaking... I don't know the name of it. I feel bad for not knowing the name of it, but... Jack Morris, I don't know what you're doing, but... Wait, what? Just stop spamming with Fortnite, it's just bothering people. Like, yeah, Fortnite sucks, big whoop, but... What? What? Windows XP shut down. That's beautiful. What? Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so these are some repeats. Yeah. Oh God, no, no, Roach. Oh, if Roach is still in the chat, oh no. I just think of Mr. Krabs from SpongeBob every time you hear the sound effect. The freaking cash register opening. Oh God. Wait, can you guys hear it very well? Okay, you can hear it. Okay. I had to check on my stream to see if you guys could hear it very well. Okay. What the heck? Sounds like a freaking drill. I don't know what that is. Okay. I'm so ready for this. If you have a freaking Windows XP theme, I want to know if this is the actual thing and how much of it plays. Oh, I'm ready. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm so using that, dude. Oh my God. Okay, I am so using that. I think that one was in FH3. I just never unlocked it. Are any of these unlocked that I can use before, like, besides the scale sound effects? We'll use that one, I guess. Upgrade. You can upgrade right now?
So, it's a garage, obviously. It's where you come to work on your cars.
Okay.
Makes sense so far.
That looks so cool. Seeing my logo inside the game like that. That looks so cool. Can you guys, like, stop talking about other games in the chat? Like, it's kind of annoying. You need to get this and you're not home yet? I agree. It looks so cool seeing my freaking logo inside the game like that, though. It's locked right now, but I guarantee if it was unlocked, you'd see, like, the actual orange and stuff. Body kit presets. Yeah, this is a wide body kit on it, dude. Wolf. Look how freaking thick it makes it. Jesus! I don't know, it's freaking beautiful. Play what you want to play. Thank you, Taro. Ooh, I remember you, actually. And you're probably not home. I have
the
to...
mechanics of the festival keep an archive of every engine setup that you can access here. Have a browse, get one rigged up under your hood, and enjoy.
Okay, so tuning is in the thing right now. Okay, I'll look at all this later. I want to get, like, I want to finish the demo and stuff. So makes the freaking RS thick though. All right.
Turn left.
Oh, the handling feels... Okay, I actually agree with what Don Juan Song said. This does feel like FH2 handling now that I actually look at it.
You have arrived at your destination.
Lord Chaotic 17 Xbox. Huracan is still better? Yeah, well, I haven't seen it yet.
Welcome to the Horizon
I just know that it
Road
has a Liberty Walk kit on it.
Perform here and you'll be invited to more events. Perform there, and someday, who knows?
Come on, Rebecca,
I
stop
might
talking.
find space for you on the roster.
If you guys are new, be sure to subscribe, by the way. Oh, he picked it with his eyes. Oh, yeah. Alright. Hey! It's my boy Stephen Miller in front of me, and there's freaking Alex, who probably won't buy this game. Yo, is this literally just everyone on my friends list? Gyagos, Roach's modded account, actually. It's freaking Steven. You got Slam, who's definitely not gonna buy this game. Who's all up in the front? I wanna see now. I see Terminator up there. Yeah, okay, there's Daniel. There's Uber. And Roach is in front. This is interesting. Oh, understeer. Bro, like the render distance in this game, it looks so good. Like my hope is that you can actually go on those hills. I don't know if we're like near the edge of the map or anything, so I don't know if you can actually go over there. But if you can, that's gonna be so fun. Oh, calm down there. Can't wait for this game to come out. I'm literally counting down. Yeah, same. We got 16 days till the release of the Ultimate Edition. Oh my, that looks sick. Oh my god. The fact that it shows your logo, that's so sick. Like, obviously I knew it was gonna do that, I just didn't know how it was gonna look, because like all the old, like all the early footage that everyone's seen so far, it shows like pre-made Xbox stuff. Like pre-made gamer pictures. When does it come out? Ultimate Edition comes out the 28th.
I'm Anna, your automated
and
natural navigation assistant.
okay, let Anna finish.
And find activities throughout the UK.
Okay. Ultimate Edition comes out the Ultimate Edition Ultimate Edition comes out the 28th of this month, and the normal game comes out October 2nd. There we go. Couldn't freaking talk for a second.
Dustin, I have plotted your route to a new race in the Horizon Road Racing
Go to
series.
Edinburgh. Well, I don't know if it's in the demo, so
Hey, Dustin.
I'll have to find out.
Your radio should have presets for our resident Horizon stations. Horizon Pulse, Horizon Base Arena, Horizon Block Party, and Horizon XS. See what takes your fancy.
Oh, am I able to...
In 100
Oh, I can use the
yards,
radio now.
turn left.
Okay, if I have streamer mode on, I should be good with music in this. I'm hoping. Oh, I literally only have this one station. Oh, wait. I actually went photo mode again. Okay, hang on. Is this the... Because, like, that looks like a play button in the left. I want to see if I turn streamer mode off and all the radio stations are available, maybe. Because that one looks specific for like a streamer mode thing. I want to check this real quick. I'll just surf through them all. Yeah, okay. I can't listen to any of these because they're all copyright. Yeah, okay. So that is cool though. It's specifically for the radio, so like we don't get copyrighted. Because like obviously me surfing through them real quick, it's not going to copyright me because it doesn't know what song it is. So like this specific thing is for streamers and content creators. That is true, Skate Life. Gygos is really excited about that too as well. Have fun, man. I'll be playing it later. Yep, you too. I don't know if you're... I don't know how old you are, Oldsby Jack, so I don't know if like you're in school or something or at work. Oh, I did not mean to downshift. Oh, this is gonna be such a nice drifting road. I could just tell by looking at the map. Elevation and many turns. This is gonna be so nice. You guys aren't going to be seeing the best driving come out of me because I'm trying to look at the chat at the same time, so. But the cool thing is that we are here together and watching the game, so. I love all the digital screens that, oh, that's not the finish. I thought that was the finish. I like all the digital screens they have for the, like finish area kind of. Okay, continue. Oh my god, I love that. When is the demo out on Xbox? It's out right now. It's what the demo is. Am I enjoying the demo? Yes, Lance. I've played like 2 races. So far, it's like basically whatever gameplay you've seen on people's channels, like the first 30 minutes.
The next round of the Horizon Road Racing Series.
I'm just waiting to see, like, I'm just waiting to do everything and then get to like the free roam area so I can drive around and see stuff.
Wow, you really are the image of Frankie Beaumont. Sorry, Joel Carter, Horizon Driver Relations. Now, do I have an opportunity for you? There's a movie shooting nearby that's in need of a stunt driver. Short notice, I know, but what do you say?
Meet me here ASAP, and I'll introduce you
I
to
don't know what to
Mike
do about my
Steele.
phone.
He's
Like,
a
it's not even
stunt
on
player.
silent. It just makes the freaking noises still for some reason. Okay. I think this is the thing with the Bugatti Chiron. I'm not sure. Find out. I think it does, Lance. You just gotta get everything done, then you can like go into an online lobby.
Turn left.
Because FH3's had multiplayer in it. I don't see why they would remove it. It's just like the map limit is what I'm worrying about. freaking way, Renault. What I'm worrying about is like if city camouflage is going to be possible in this game.
In 400 yards.
This is a very sharp turn coming up.
Turn sharp
Frickin'
right.
God damn it, Civic.
In 400 yards. Turn left.
Can I do another live stream same time tomorrow? I have no idea. If I wake up early enough, maybe. Out of the way. Why do you have ladder? Oh, it's kind of a stupid question. What car is that? I don't even know. Whatever. Oh. Ooh, cutscene. I don't know what you mean by multiplayer. It's multiplier. Multiplier.
Future star of the silver screen.
Oh, that is the Chiron. Okay.
You having a laugh? They're like twins.
You having a laugh? Like what?
You'll do. Mike Steele, by the way. Today's shoot's a getaway scene. Head over to Broadway Village. We've got everything set up there.
Renault driver. Well,
The kid better
we
be
don't
as
have
good as you
Renaults
say.
where I live, so I wouldn't know. Oh, oh, oh!
Right, off to Broadway. And step on it, yeah? We don't want to lose the light.
Oh! Oh! Oh, the freaking Chiron. Oh, it's so fast. Oh gosh, I'm already going off the road. God, the freaking W16. Isn't it free with Game Pass? The standard edition is.
You made it. That was quick. Right, let's get everything set up.
You excited about doing roleplay?
You're going in at the
Roleplay.
deep end.
What?
But at least you look the part now. This is
I
a
don't
classic
do
car
roleplay
escape.
in these games.
The hero's being
It's
chased by a
dumb.
jet and escapes by jumping through an old window.
pointless.
Don't ask. If you're as good as Joel says, there should be no trouble.
You just got home from
Remember
school.
to breathe, kid.
Well, download the
Just
demo
don't
and
let
play
Get
it.
away from you. I'll talk you through it. You'll be fine.
Okay, so what am I doing here? Like, I don't know. Jump.
Hook it left, but keep your foot down.
Am I literally about to race a plane? Is that what's happening?
He's in a jet plane, so what? You just keep that needle in the red. Maybe do some evasive maneuvers.
Jeez.
The baddies overshot you and your hero is safe. For now. Good. This is all good stuff. Don't relax, kid. We're not done. Keep it loose and fast up the hill, then back down. Still got the jump to do.
Oh, that's a railing.
The road's blocked off ahead, so you're gonna cut across the field. They'll add something in post. Crashed alien ship or something. It's all marked out for camera coverage, okay?
Are you serious?
Just line it up, floor it, pray.
Pray. Oh my god,
Eyes
dude,
forward.
that's
Ignore the
amazing.
camera. Try to look heroic.
941 feet,
And that
Jesus.
is a wrap, everyone. Congratulations, kid. You survived. Reckon you
What
can
was
do
the
that again?
goal there? 100 feet? That's nothing.
Call you if there's another job.
$27 gigabytes for a demo. Yep. The demo is out. Yes, it is.
Hey,
Hey, Dustin. There's a lot of rumors flying around that you've landed a spot in a new movie. Make sure you save time to take part in the autumn season when you're rich and famous.
A favorite radio station not used.
He's looking for new racers to take part in the dirt racing series.
Dirt racing? Yo, okay. How much of the map is available? Can I literally just go everywhere? Okay. Okay, wait. Can you go on those? How much of the map is available? Holy crap. I don't know if there's anything beyond, like, see, look, you can't... Can you go in those roads? There's no way this is just for looks over here, right? You have to be able to go over there. Oh, I didn't even pinpoint a freaking waypoint. I'm stupid. Okay. I don't even know what's next. That the Chiron thing is like the last I saw. I saw like everyone get into the Chiron, and that was about it.
In 400 yards, turn right.
Oh, I forgot about this. They have this freaking view from FM7 in here too. That's cool. This is currently the point of view of a day in the life of Jack Ultramotive. First person. It's what he sees almost every day. The thing that sucks is that the car's not white, so it's not Jack's. Hello, Nick Boyos and Alex. Oh, I almost shot that. I still play Horizon 1, lol. I have just the 1 and 2. Dude, you gotta upgrade. You've never played FH3? My controller is vibrating. Oh, not anymore. Unless that was just me. You're downloading it now? Sweet. Do you recommend this game when it comes out? 100%. This game is going to be so good. If you're like a fan of our content and what we upload on Forza, this game is 100% worth it. Go on the go on the motorway, please. After this, I don't even know where the motorway is. Like I am sorry to all the Subaru and Lancia fans. I'm picking the Cosworth. Yes, I have to.
The Cossie, one of the best out there. Built and tested on the local roads of Essex, wouldn't you believe?
I don't know if the motorway is unlocked in this. Could you get the owner of the club to accept me on Xbox? I can do that myself. Oh, I didn't even realize that was on the screen. I can do that myself. I'm an admin. I'll try and add people in after this. Graphics are awesome on this game. 100%. This game looks gorgeous for what it is. Can you give the game for free? No. Some people saw Mitsubishis in the rally. Yeah, that just shows that they literally removed Mitsubishi at the last minute.
First race coming right up. You go and enjoy yourself out there.
I don't know. Maybe you'll see some in this. Probably not. This thing is really fast for what it is. Holy crap. Why are there so many of these cars? Like, I don't even know what that is. It's probably like a Lancia of some kind. Dude, this thing feels so nice. Oh, no! I'm going off the road. Did I get that? Okay, somehow I did. Oh, you can hear the turbo. Oh, it's a lap race. I didn't even notice that. I thought it was a point to point. Cosworth in this game sounds like the RSRX from FH3, 100%. That's what the sound reminds me of. Oh, okay, you can break that tree. I thought I was gonna hit that. Okay, I think I just noticed the mud flaps move. The mud flaps are moving on the car. So they did implement some animations from like FM7 and stuff. Pre-ordered the game the other day. Nice.
First race in the bag. How do you feel?
Yeah, there was a lot of freaking...
Brilliant.
Oh, that was a Peugeot. What car was Jack? Oh, okay, no, that... There's like two different versions of Lancias. I think they replaced, they probably replaced some of the Mitsubishis with another version of a Lancia or something. You better win quick. What do you mean? What do I have to win? Daniel. Daniel. Dude, this is pretty awesome. I agree. That's can't drive just like Nick Camp in it. Wow. Is that about to be a thing?
Looks like you've nearly qualified for the autumn season.
Hashtag nasty can't drive. I just order the standard and buy the cars that I like out of. That is true. You can do that.
Hey, I'm hearing good things about you.
But
sorry,
you gotta think, like, you gotta buy all the freaking...
There's a street race meetup, and I think you should check it out.
You have to buy all of the expansion passes too. What is this? Oh, it's a fast travel board. I'll get that on the way here, I guess.
In 200 yards, Turn left. Turn left.
Oh, it's behind the freaking bush right here. What the heck? There we go.
So, Kira told me about these. Smash a fast travel board and you'll get a discount on the Horizon fast travel service. Smash them all.
Okay, I get it. I want to check settings. Video. Wait, what? Choose between quality mode, higher graphics fidelity, 30 frames per second, and performance mode, lower graphics fidelity, 60 frames. What? That's sick. So wait, hang on. If I buff this up to performance, oh. Okay, never mind. Restart later. So I guess there's a 60 FPS and a 30 FPS option. That's cool. What does colorblind mode do? Oh, I don't need any of that. Okay. No, what? Okay, there we go. Daniel, shut up. Frickin' PC player.
And the festival will cover your costs completely. Good to keep in mind for our many adventures.
I don't want to restart the demo because why do I feel like that's gonna make me restart this whole thing? Oh, can I hit the windmill jump? Oh my god. Oh gosh.
Recalculating route.
Okay, we're gonna do more Horizon-esque things by just going straight through all this stuff. Oh, you can't break that wall.
In 200 yards, you will arrive at your destination. You have arrived at your destination.
I'm not looking at the name of any of these races either, so. Demo is out. Bridge is the demo out. Can you party up in demo? I have no idea, actually. It's what I want to figure out. Now I am asking when you have enough money, get the Chiron plate. Why are you unsubscribing because of that? What?
You ready?
Wait, what?
Ready?
Excuse me.
Let's do this. Oh, it's you. You made it.
Huh?
I'm Jay, by the way. Alex wouldn't shut up about you, you know.
Which edition do you think is the best value? $100. Ultimate Edition gives you the most of everything.
No, this isn't strictly sanctioned by the festival.
Camaro.
Don't mention this to Kira.
There's an R8 back there.
I gotta go.
What kind of comparison is that? A freaking Camaro versus a 488?
Might not be official, but you keep coming to these meets. I'll make sure everyone at Horizon knows your name.
Who am I racing?
Have fun now, yeah?
I'm racing a freaking. Oh wait, I'm racing all of them. Okay, never mind. Car is that? What is that? Oh, crap. Can't see. The Microsoft Store is slow. Well, that's Microsoft for you. And you made me go off the road because I looked at chat. I don't know a car that is that slams AIs in or whatever. It looks like a freaking. Is that oh, that's a Ford of some sort. And that's an AI car. I want to know how much of the demo is like available. Like, what can you do? Because this is, so far, this is a lot more than you can freaking do in FH3. Could you imagine if I spun out Daniel's AI right now? I don't think it's possible. I'm not going to try that again. I was not ready for that corner. I don't want to lose this race because I don't think that'll be a good thing for me. I don't want to have to redo it for some reason. Straightaways! Yay! I can catch up because for some reason the Cosworth is faster than. Is that an Aventador Alex is in? Oh shoot! I'm about to lose. No! I stole second. Screw it. Ripjack, exactly. Hi, Ripjack. What? Oh. Oh, the guy that's unsubbing apparently. Yeah, whatever. I don't care. If he's gonna be like that, he could freaking leave.
Unspoken rules about respect and honor and who can and can't join, but all you need to know is drive like that and you're welcome anytime.
Drive like that, you're welcome anytime. I lost. How long did the demo take to download? That's completely up to your internet speed. I downloaded 27 gigabytes in about half an hour. A little under that, maybe. It didn't take long for me because I have pretty good internet.
Hey, just to let you know, there's another round 1 dirt race starting soon if you fancy it. See you there. Oh, and me and Jay have just finished setting up a new danger sign. You should check it out if you fancy some thrills along the way.
Is there a dam in this game? Danger sign. There's a dam in this game too. That's cool. Okay, I didn't know that. Alright, we'll head over to that. Complete this because I don't know what it is. Oh gosh. Oh my god.
These were boarded up to mark potential hazards. Then me and Alex went around and put whacking great flags on all of them. Voila, a danger sign is born. So long as you survive, they'll probably let us build more.
400 yards.
So influence in this game is equivalent to fans from FH3, I think. That's what it looks like it is.
Turn right.
Oh, I went the wrong way. Whoops.
Turn around when it is safe to do so. Recalculating route.
You just break through that. That's what I love. Oh, you see that wall? Bam. I think this is a point-to-point race. How much air? I got like 805 feet on that, I think. Dab, tried down like 28 oh god. 100 kilobytes a second? That would take a day, I think. Start race. this Lancia needs to move. Get out of the way, Daniel. Oh, never mind, this is a lap race as well, I just noticed. I love the tracks in this game, like the dirt tracks so far. They're all actually on the dirt. Some of the ones in F8, well, most of the ones in FH3, like there was a concrete or like road section. Ah, chickens, move! I don't even know where the finish line is. I'm already on the 3rd lap. The wall. Okay, the finish line's right here. That makes sense. Well, I guess that would make sense because there's a giant arch over it. I'm stupid. Continue. I just saw a floating Subaru for a second. Can you play it on PC? Yeah, I think so. I don't see why you wouldn't be able to. Oh, you were saying you can. Okay. I thought you were asking. Oops. You're getting the Ultimate Edition on your birthday, which is...
Right. Good news is you've made the cut.
Comes
for the
out
Horizon
17 days
season.
before.
Bad news, obviously, is that it doesn't start until autumn. You don't mind sticking around, do you?
Wait. Oh, what did I just miss? She said something. I think that means it's the end of the demo. Okay, I think we've already seen that. Okay. I think that's the end of the demo. I'm not sure though. Can we just free roam now? Oh, there's like cameras and okay. There's a drift zone. That's cool. Slate Quarry. Oh, okay. Here's the freaking freeway. Holy crap. That goes forever. The annoying thing is that you've got to jump through a roundabout at some point if you were gonna go top speed runs. Dude, oh, this road looks so nice for a drift road. Okay, they said I had cars unlocked. I want to go to the festival. Can I not set a waypoint? Okay, that's weird. Can't set a Can't set a waypoint directly on the thing.
In 400 yards, turn left. Turn left. 200 yards, turn right.
Game looks so nice, dude. Oh my god.
Recalculate operating route.
What's my opinion on the UK? Like, in real life, I don't know, I've never been there, but so far in the game, the map looks amazing. Okay, so I'm straight ahead.
200 yards. Turn sharp left.
I was about to say, like, how the heck do I, like, where's the building? I can see it now. Okay, so like obviously this is the freaking start, but for all the videos we're gonna do in this game, we're gonna line up on this wall. I guarantee it. Then we'll be like, okay, yeah, let's go in, and we'll be like, okay, sweet, and go inside. Is the demo free? Yes, it is. Okay, it's a car. Oh, okay, so it gives you all the cars that you didn't drive. Oh, you could drive the Senna. Wait, can I not? Oh, okay, you can drive them. Let's just use the Senna and cruise around the map and see what we can find, honestly. Am I getting the game when it comes out on opening day? Yeah, 100% I will be. I'm gonna play this Spider-Man and Blackout. Oh, 100%. Dude, I can't wait until Blackout beta. You guys are so lucky you have PlayStations, Roach. I gotta wait until it's freaking Friday. Oh, I should check the upgrades on all these. Okay. I cannot. Okay, that's right here. No.
So you want to totally change the insides of your car?
Oh, okay, that was all-wheel drive. I was like, wait, can you engine swap this for a second?
Want to change your car's aerodynamics? You can do that here.
So literally just adds canards and a freaking tow hook. Oh god, okay, this is what's gonna bother me. If the Isetta isn't in the, it's in the game. Okay, calm down, Roach. You probably weren't here when I went through all the horns, but all the annoying horns that you had are in this game still. Ew, ew, ew. This doesn't look right. Ew, that's so gross. Ew, ew. I hate Forza wings on stuff. This McLaren is cool. Yeah, I agree. Now that we're free roaming, I guess we can just like look through stuff.
Most importantly, you can change out your tires and wheels here.
Put rally tires on this. Where's the tire rating? You can go through rims? Oh, what? I want to see if there's actually any new ones. Okay, I don't think there is, but might as well. Okay, none of those are new. I'm on a controller. I always play on controller. I don't have money for a freaking wheel, so. Be cool if I had a wheel, but no, I just don't have room or the money to get one. Yeah, the Senna is clean. This car looks really nice. I want to see like some of the color combinations some people will come up with on it. Yeah, so far there's no new wheels. I'm not really mad about this. I don't really care about wheels. I just wish there was more like deep dish wheels for like stance builds and stuff. Oh, drift suspension is a thing. I forgot about that. We're gonna have to do that in a little bit. Probably make a freaking drift build on the RS or something. Yeah, there's no new wheels. It kind of bothers me, but it's okay. I should probably go through all the cars customization, see if there's anything hiding. So the Senna we've seen. Let's go. Let's try to see the TTS. If it has anything. Peeled P50, hell yeah. Oh, dude, that's gonna be so fun. Oh my god, I can't wait. Hey, we hit 200 viewers, sweet. And that's without anyone else streaming. That's actually really cool. Okay, obviously, like, all this will have the normal upgrades. I just want to see. Okay, nope. Nope. Nothing cool. My cars. Check the charger. Did you know Shmi is getting a set? I heard about that. Oh my, what the hell? 230? When did we jump up like 40 viewers? Let's see. I didn't see. Ooh, okay. I think that's just a hood upgrade. It does have a body kit preset, but I think it's just the hood thing. I want to check. No. Okay. Yeah, that's basic upgrades. Most of this stuff is in the other game. What is this body kit preset though? It doesn't change anything. What?
Cost. Look good?
I'm guessing because it's already in that, like, it would just add, like, more power to it and then put the blower on top. Okay. We've seen the RS. Escort, maybe? People on the East Coast are just getting out of school. Yeah, I know. Oh, yeah, that might be why, actually. You're right. Okay, this does have a body kit preset that has me, like, happy. I'm gonna reset to default upgrades. Wait, what? I have to install default upgrades. If you guys are new, be sure to subscribe, by the way. Okay. Can Turbo Rally or put a V8 in the Cosworth? This thing has a lot of upgrades. Okay, let's put headlight covers on that. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. Interesting. Fog lights. Bash bar. This wasn't in FH3. What the heck? It looks weird. Then that ugly Forza splitter. Your school gets out at 4 p.m. Why? How? That's so late. Ooh, that stock spoiler. If you take that off, you have issues. That's like the best spoiler. Okay, we've seen this spoiler, but this puts a tire on it. Stock spoiler with the tire. Just the spoiler. Ew. And then it removes it. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oops. Bumpers. It just makes it smoother, I think, and puts a tow hook. Ooh, mud flaps. Mud flaps are actually really cool in this game because they actually move. It's a free demo? Yeah, what do you... Yeah, it's free. Is 60 FPS mode available on the 1X in the beta? Yeah, but you have to restart it. Like, once you enable 60 FPS mode, it makes you restart the game. So, I haven't done it. I don't know if it completely makes you restart, but... hood pins. Roof scoop and hood pins. Fog lights. And a snorkel. Oh, God. I don't know if most of this stuff was in FH3 or not, so... That's the upgrades for that. Okay, it has a preset. I wonder if it'll just make it look like what we had before. Yeah, okay, it does. It puts freaking 1552s and stuff on it. Last one is a Subaru that we haven't seen yet. Can you buy cars in the demo? It gives you every car that is available in the demo that you can drive at the end of it if you didn't pick the one. So like I didn't choose the Subaru at all. and it's allowing me to get in it, so this has a preset as well. I'll just check the preset first. Yeah, okay, it makes it look like what we just saw, so I'll go through all the upgrades individually. Yeah, F6. This is an engine swap I've never seen. I don't know what engine this is. How do you get the demo? You have to go into the Xbox store and then actually type out Forza Horizon 3 demo. 4 demo, not 3. Because if you just type in like FH4, like the full title of the game, it's not going to pop up. You should get more views. Why? I'm amazed there's even 250 people here right now. I'm surprised about that. It's never really happened. I only get about that many viewers whenever like Jack is streaming with me or something. So, ew. Bash bar. This was an FH3, I'm pretty sure. And then it just removes the bash bar and keeps the bumper. That looks cool. Spoiler. Wheel. Okay. Ew. That removes it. What does this do? Oh, it comes stock with a frickin' diffuser? What? And it removes it and puts a tow hook. It's actually a cool bumper. It's a huge game, Nasty? Yeah, kind of. Okay. Hood, vents, I'm guessing. Yep. The heck is that on the roof? What is that? Snorkel? Jesus Christ. Oy. Fog lamps, okay. Those are all the upgrades on the cars individually. So now we're gonna jump in the center and go exploring around the map. Why got a Jack car? Because it gives it to you? Is Blackout the Battle Royale in BO4? Yes, it is. Okay, so you can't customize your character in this. You can't change the design or anything. So that sucks. You got demo, I play it now, Nikki Stink. Oh, okay. You're just talking to someone, my bad. Is drone mode available? Oh, it is. Is there a limit for drone mode in this game? Oh no, there is! I can't go any higher than this. No. That sucks. I wonder if there's a glitch like there was in FH3 where you can freaking glitch upward. Nah, I don't know. I don't want to go look for that right now. Cough, PUBG 2, cough. Yeah, Roach, it looks like PUBG, but it plays better than PUBG. And it looks nicer, so. Okay, where do we want to go first? This part is in the demo. I'm guessing this is the bridge you jump the car across and then switch into the center again. And you go down this road, blah blah blah, and then you go into the festival. We gotta go to Edinburgh. 100%. I don't know where to go in it though. We'll just freaking drive to this street. Wait, what? Is there actually a limit? Can I not go that far? It's not letting me set a route. Oh no. Can I not go over here? Oh no. It's not letting me set a route over there. Can I really not go that far? Oh no. That might be the freaking endpoint right there. It lets me set a waypoint there.
when it is safe to do so. In 200 yards, turn left. Turn left.
Move, you piece of garbage! Freaking hate that. I gotta go check to see if that's even a limit. I don't know, maybe since I haven't driven down the road I can't go there, maybe? I don't know.
In 400 yards, turn right. Turn right. In 400 yards, turn right.
Okay. I actually think there's like a limit. I don't think I can go any further than that. I hope not. It's gonna suck.
Turn left.
Oh, you can break through that! Oh god. I didn't know that. That's a new thing. You usually can't break through. Oh, I'm not going fast enough or something. You can't usually break through this guardrail on like other games. You think you should recommend this game to my friends? If you're into the guy has a bike on his car. If you're into like car games and you know your friends are kind of into car games, 100% I would. Okay, wait, which way is the right way? I can't set a waypoint any further than this. I don't know if it's because I haven't been over here, but if I go down this road and it respawns me, I can't go that far.
Turn around when it is safe to do so.
No. Oh no. Oh no. It gives you a message on the screen. No, man. There's a limit. Oh no. Oh. No. No. What do I do? How much is available then? Okay, you can't place anything upon here. See, like, literally the only thing you can do is, like, spam your A button to see how much of this is available. You can go over there. So you can't go anywhere, like, on the beach or anything. Oh, god damn it, dude. This sucks. No, there's a limit, dude. I don't want there to be a limit. I want to go over here. I want to go to the abandoned airport. I want to freaking drive to Edinburgh. I want to go to the beach. I don't even know if you can go on these bridges. No. Look at the cars. I just did, Gregor. If you want to see that, then you'd have to rewind a bit, because I already did that. That's a first. So you drove to the city in the demo. No, you probably drove through like a smaller city somewhere over here. Like this one right here. No, that's the festival. I'm stupid. Probably this one. Damn it, dude. There's a limit, man. Okay, can you go inside of this thing? I want to figure that out, because I haven't seen this yet. Like, you can go here in the freaking...
200 yards, turn right.
You drive past the quarry thing, but I want to see if you can go inside of it.
Yards, turn left. Turn left.
Oh, dirt. Oh, crap. I am in a Senna. This does not work. Okay, it's actually like sliding my car. I'm losing control of it. It's so like slidey. The car wants to spin out, I swear. Can you break through this? Okay, you can. Oh, this looks sick.
Recalculating route.
Okay, we'll just park here for a second. I want to check this in drone mode. Dude, this looks so cool. What? Can you drive up these things? Oh, dude, this would be so cool. I think you can. There's no way you wouldn't be able to, right? It kind of makes me sad that there's a limit on the drone mode, like height. In the Hot Wheels expansion on FH3, you were able to just go as high as you wanted until you hit like a roof limit type thing. Thank you, Cole. Drown the Senna? How do I drown it? Is there water near here? I was gonna text from someone. Okay. Is responding to text messages. Thank you, Cole, for the $5. Appreciate it. Is this water? What is this? Oh, this is probably mud. Oh, I want to see the mud physics. Can I change cars right here? I can. How much does it cost? Oh, it doesn't cost anything. Sweet. Okay, Subaru. Yes. Can you play it on PC in the I have no idea if you can play it in the Netherlands right now. Okay, I want to see if we can drive on this. You can. This is so cool. Okay. I want to check the mud physics because this is all mud right here. Ooh. This is so cool. What the heck? Oh my god, it's so sick. Air 12 Nick got the game. Yeah, I know. No, he doesn't have the game right now, I'm pretty sure. He got flown out to like somewhere in California to record early footage of it. So he has a bunch of like gameplay. I don't know. Can you? If you're in a race, no, I don't think so. But like, I'm not in a race right now. Like, once you complete the demo, like all the races, you can just free roam if you want. Thank you for the 5 something. I always forget what that is. I don't know if it's euros or something. I'm horrible with freaking other types of money from something that isn't the US. It's probably quid, now that I think of it. I think it's quid. Okay. Enough exploring over here. Can you go across this? You can. Okay, I'm gonna go over to this. I don't know if it's a dam or anything. Oh, that's a tree. Yo! What? Ooh, wait. Oh my god, they got shadows working. That's sick! That's actually so cool. They actually have shadows in this now. That's actually such a nice touch, dude. That's awesome. As you can see, like, freaking shadows of me driving past the bush and stuff and the tree
Turn
behind
around
it.
when it is safe
So
to do
cool.
so. In 200 yards, turn sharp right. In 100 yards, turn right.
100 euros? I don't know what that is.
In 200 yards, turn left.
I'm horrible with symbols for other money
Turn
in
left.
other areas that isn't America. I don't know if it's quid or euros, I just know it's one of those. What is this?
In 400 yards, turn right.
Oh, this might be a freaking danger sign that isn't available yet. Footpath closed. What do these say? Sudden drop. Yo, what? What is this?
Recalculating route.
Oh gosh. Okay, that actually is a very steep. Okay, this is like a. This is the dam, I think, actually. Yo, water is going over it. What? How sudden's the drop? Yay! Oh no. Turn around real quick.
In 100 yards, turn right.
This is actually so cool, the fact that you can drive through the water right here.
You have arrived at your destination.
Okay. There's not much you can look at. I'll look at that in drone mode real quick, but that's about it. It's just a dam, pretty much. This actually looks... Dude, this is gonna be so sick for pictures, like right here or something. Just have that in the background. What is this? Oh, okay, it's just another part of it. It's a doorway. Can you go inside? Nope. Okay. Where to next? Okay. We'll go over here. It's maybe... Yeah, this is like a little town over here. Swap into a different car, maybe. I'm getting the Charger. Oh, it got rid of my waypoint. What the heck? There we go.
In 400 yards, turn left.
I don't know. I feel like
Turn
the
left.
last thing I'll probably do is definitely like drift build the RS or something. That was a P1 that just drove past me? Okay. I didn't know that was possible in this. Car scene. Subaru. That actually makes me wonder, like, is there cars that aren't in this that AIs are driving around? Because that was literally a P1 that just drove past me. Okay, yeah, there is. I don't know if that was a Subaru or like a frickin' Peugeot or something, but...
Turn left.
That was Brian Scotto Supernova. That's probably part of the Hoonigan cars. This is Daniel. Nope, this is Lance. He's in a Subaru. Oh, there's a giant lake right next to me. Roof box. Some of this stuff is so cool, like just that's driving down the road. Some of the cars have like roof boxes and stuff already. And those are just AI cars.
In 400 yards, turn right.
An older Focus.
Turn right.
You know what? I should probably turn traction control off right now. Because we're just in like the free roam area, so there's no point in having it on.
In 400 yards, turn right. Turn right.
Yep, okay. We're here. I can get rid of my waypoint now. Okay. So, this area... Jacket... Oh. You're talking about the AI. Ooh, a Mercedes. I don't even know, honestly. It's a cool little town. I think that's an Impala, I'm not sure. Okay, the AI cars are definitely driving around in stuff that isn't in this demo, so. Nicest thing I've seen so far is a P1. Ooh, Corvette. I think. I honestly don't know. There's a fly on my microphone. What the heck? Yeah, we can just go in drone mode and fly around here, honestly. Ooh. Dude, Summit. Ooh, what the hell? I didn't even notice all the freaking hot air balloons. The demo is out, yes. That's a Corvette, okay. I'm just making sure. I don't want, like, if you hear me say the wrong name of a car, don't judge me. Please. Ooh. Yo, this would be such a nice place for, like, hide and seek or something. Oh my gosh. I think you can go in the lake, I'm pretty sure. Oh, what's that? A barn? Is this a barn find? Maybe? Nope, okay, I think this is, yeah, this is where someone parks their boat. Never mind. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. This is really cool, actually. I don't know if these are life rafts on top of that. Got a smaller boat. Docking area. I think this is where like you'd rent like canoes or kayaks and mini boats and stuff to go out in the lake. Another bunch of docks actually. Boat. Could you imagine if there's just sunken ship somewhere around here? That'd be sick. How far out can you go? That's the question. Apparently that far. You gotta go? Okay, bye Sebastian. What the heck? Okay. Yeah, like, there's not much to show in this area. It's just a giant, like, not even giant, just a small city with a bunch of, like, hometowns and stuff and shops. It's really cool, though. Okay, next area. Maybe. Honestly, like, you're limited to the... I don't even know what to call this place. You're limited to, like, this body of water right here. The dam. And, like, this side. You literally can't go anywhere further than this body of water on the right side of it. Can't go over here. Can't go north. Can't go to the beach. Can't go to Edinburgh. Can't go. Dude, this drift road looks so nice. Justin, go to the boundary and go with the drone mode. It works. No, it doesn't. No way. I'll have to test that in a minute. I think the last place we'll go is maybe down here. Then, well, I guess. Okay. Well, yeah, we can make our way down here. Look at this place, and I could test it right there because that's a limit. I'm getting a different car for this. I'm getting the TTS. You're installing it? Nice. You have the Ultimate Edition? Oh, whoops. You have the Ultimate Edition but can't play the demo? Is it installed? Have you tried restarting your console? Is that just for demo? Yeah, you just can't go anywhere on, like, the areas that I was showing because it's limited. Oh, I didn't even check to see if this has online. Does it? What? Creative Hub. What? Okay. Yeah, you literally can't, damn, that sucks. Online isn't available during this. That sucks. Free demo? Yes, it is. The demo is free.
Turn around when it is safe to do so.
Man, that kind of blows, honestly. The FH3 demo had online and was limited to Byron Bay. It kind of sucks that this doesn't.
In 400 yards, turn left. Turn left. In 200 yards, turn right. Turn right.
Okay, the review mirrors definitely look nicer in this game, I've noticed, because in FH3 they were like there was a certain render distance, then you'd start seeing everything disappear. But like, I can see like slow fade outs of like trees. But it's way nicer than it just randomly glitching and just like poofing away by disappearing. Okay. Oh, we get to drive through the festival on our way there. That's pretty cool, actually. Oh, wait, actually, while we're here, I want to check that. Is that the drag strip? Oops. It is. This is so cool. What? What? Yo, does it actually set up like the lights turn on? Oh my god, it does. It's actually so sick. This thing's slow as hell, but whatever.
When it is safe to do so.
I think this is exactly a quarter mile, I'm pretty sure. I'm not certain though.
Recalculating route.
Okay. Well, we saw the drag strip. And just continue our way to the thing. It's like the new update in FM7. Hello, Mr. BRZ. Actually, I just realized that's a car we haven't seen yet. $370. Yeah, $370, because I can tell by the taillights. And the front end. What car is that? Oh, it's an RX-8, I think. I don't even know. Whatever.
In 400 yards, turn left.
You can hear the rotary behind me. The thing's loud.
Turn left.
Oh, we get to hit the windmill jump again. I just realized. Sweet. Let's go. Look how cheap. Yeah, we're not gonna go that far in this thing because it's freaking slow.
Recalculating route.
Okay, this is the whole town area. It's pretty big.
In 100 yards, turn left.
Is there a castle? Oh, no. The tree was in the way. It's an AMG I just smacked into. Okay.
Turn around when it is safe to do so. In 400 yards, turn right.
Try making a blueprint. Is there a blueprint option? It's not available. Damn it, dude. Tuning, stunt driver, 488 thing. I wonder what the My Creative Hub thing is.
Turn right. You have arrived at your destination.
Yeah, there isn't much to see over here. It's just a bunch of houses. Dude, it sucks that we can't go to Edinburgh. It's not available right now. I think this is a limited area. I can't go any further than this. It's probably going to respawn me at some point once I pass this road. Bridge. Respawn in 3, 2. Yep. Okay, someone said that the... Okay. Someone said that you can go in drone mode past the barrier. I don't know if I believe you or not, but we're about to find out, so... And you were wrong. You lie. No. Someone lied to me. access VIP. Okay. We're gonna go to the festival, and then we are going to upgrade a Focus RS and turn it into a drift car. I'm gonna get in the Senna so I can just get there faster. Photo. We can try photo mode. I'll try photo mode like while I'm drifting. I'm just gonna get to the thing faster, so I got in the Senna.
In 400 yards, turn left.
Oh my god. Yeah, okay, if you do not have traction control on in supercars like this, you have no traction. Oh. Okay, there's an Aventador. I can't tell what that was. I think that was a Ford GT or a McLaren or something. Noble. That's interesting. For the VIP, do you get the no, the Chiron's a default car. Like, you could literally buy it whenever the game comes out. You just gotta make enough money. Will you make a live? You will make a live when the full game. Yeah, I'm planning on live streaming the minute that game comes out. Ooh, Cinque. That's actually really cool. Actually, try photo mode right here. Where is photo mode? What? Is it not in here? Photo gallery.
We have some seriously talented photographers here at Horizon.
Dude.
Have a look here.
Is photo mode not available? Oh. I'm stupid. I forgot it was up on the D-pad. Probably back up more. I didn't think that it was the wrong button, so I forgot photo mode is up on the D-pad now.
You have arrived at your destination.
Whoops. Can it be the 28th already? Yep, that's me right now. I wish. We got a long time to wait. We got a little bit over 2 weeks. Hmm. Thumbnail? Thank you. It's literally just my thumbnail template with like cover art, I'm pretty sure. Oh, I already got in it. Whoops. Where are the upgrades? Oh, they're right here. I'm blind. Okay. Do I V8 swap it? Yes. Drivetrain, rear wheel drive, turbo. I need more torque. Screw it. We're putting the wide body on it, because why not? Dude, what if it put a freaking chassis mount wing on it? Oh, that'd be sick. Let's Stock tire. Rally. Drag. Oh, we have drag tires in this game? What? Dude, this thing has poke. What? Tires are sticking out a little bit. No, I don't want race. Whoops. I want street tires. It's a good drift tire. 52s. Oh shoot, I forgot that you can't change the color of the car, so we're stuck like this. Type in for... Oh yeah, no, you're just telling them how to get the demo.
Here's where you fiddle with your drivetrain so you can actually put all that power down.
Where's my basket? Oh god. 60,000 already? I think this is literally the only thing I'm going to be able to buy and upgrade.
Here's handling, platform tuning, that kind of thing.
Drift suspension. Where are you? Is this it? Oh, it is. Okay. Dude, the camber. The camera in the front. That's so sick. Oh my god, the amount of camber, dude.
Here's engine upgrades
okay.
if you're working under the hood.
Should have enough to fully upgrade this, right? Like, shouldn't be too ridiculous. 700 horsepower, jeez. I'll just fully upgrade this thing because it's Horizon. You can get 1,000 horsepower Focus RS. I'll literally have like barely enough. I'm gonna have like $7,000 left. I don't even care though. It's awesome. What's up, Nasty? Hello, Markel. How you doing? You're better than Jack. Thank you, but that's not true. Tuning. Okay, I wanna. Is there Forza Vista in this? Is there not? Oh my god, are you serious? You can't do Forza Vista? Really? Oh man, what? The demo limits you so much, and I realize it. Be right about that. Oh my god, it maxes out the camber. We'll knock this down to 1.0, I guess. Dude, this thing slammed looks so nice. Okay. Go to my cars. Yeah, I'll show you guys the cars, but like this is the only thing I can upgrade and put all my money into it, so. Yeah, these are the cars that are available in the demo. You have the RS, TTS, Charger, Cosworth, the Lancia, Strale, the Senna, and the WRX STI Impreza. That is what is available in this. Okay, so we put a drift tune on this thing. I want to see the... Oh my god, the diffuser. Oh my god, the angle kit is so sick. Look at all the angle you can get. This is so cool, dude. Okay. Where's that one road? Where are you? The very windy road that you take during one of these races. I want to find it. Is it not in here? Are you serious? What? No. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Okay. I was scared for a second. I was like, I can't see it because this thing is in the way. I was like, where is it? It's not even that far, sweet.
Turn around when it is safe to do so.
Thicker than Pokebane. Oh, God. This is a Huayra BC. Ooh, there's a center right there, and he's running into a wall. Ooh, is that a Mercy? Oh no, it's an SV. I'm blind. Oh, Centenario, hello. It's very cool. I don't know where the hell he's going. He just tried ramming me off the road. I might need to lengthen the gears a bit more. Okay, drifting in this game feels so much more different than FM7. Okay, I want to go down the road. I'm gonna... Oh, no, wait. Can I not tune here? Are you serious? It says tune setups, and I can't tune? Really? Ah!
Right, that's a speed zone. Redliner out the other end. I'm tracking your average on my laptop. Go, go, go!
Figured this would be a drift zone, not a speed zone. Okay, fourth gear is definitely the gear to be in. Oh, that's also a new feature. That car was ghosted too, I just realized.
Arrived at your destination.
But that one wasn't because I just finished the speed zone. I'm in the top 100%. Oh god. Okay. Is online available? No, it is not, sadly, which kind of sucks. Because online was available in the FH3 demo. It kind of sucks that it's not in this. But it's still really cool because this does show you so much in the game. Like the fact that you can use like up the Horizon Festival, you can upgrade cars, the cars that are available. It's really interesting, actually. Like, there's a lot of stuff that it shows you in this game. I'm hitting a wall. Okay. Yeah, now realizing it's going to be very hard to go into photo mode when you're initiating into a drift. This is rear-wheel drive. Damn it. I forgot I had rewind on, to be honest. First time using it in this. I want to try and get a photo. Be sick. Yeah, smoke is kind of lacking. Even though it's all the way up there, it could be a lot better. I don't need to worry about focus. Oh, I hate aperture. I don't even know why this is an option. When you add max color to it, what? Okay, so this is 50. It looks very plain and dark, but when you add the color to it, oh my god. Oh, all the freaking, like, the grass and the trees come out so much in that. Oh my gosh. What does sepia do again? I forgot. Oh, okay, that's color. Never mind. I want max color. It looks so nice. Oh, the pole's in the way. God damn it. Okay, never mind. Wait, you can get right here. There we go. The random car? Oh, yeah. Alright. Mind if I steal the RS? I don't know. I don't care. It's up to you.
You have arrived at your destination.
Yeah, okay, getting used to drifting in this game is going to be pretty hard. I don't know if it's just because, like, oh, I'm drifting on freaking Focus or something. It's kind of video thumbnail right there. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Like, photo mode brings out so much detail in this game. It's ridiculous. I took a bunch of screenshots right there, so... Yeah, I feel like I'm struggling just to get angle for some reason. I don't know if it's because, like, my tune or something, but... Oh, wait, do I have simulation steering on? Because that might be why. I don't, okay. Well, I don't know why. There we go. Shouldn't do anything, but... Jumanji constantly. Aw, damn it, I didn't realize that was a limit area. Where am I? Oh, I'm way up north. Okay, that makes sense. I don't know. Maybe I want to look around the festival, because that's, like, probably going to be the last thing I do before I end the stream, and I haven't really looked around the whole thing. I just go in there to change a car or something. What car haven't I used? I haven't used the Lancia. I'll just use this for the last thing, I guess. Probably end the stream in about 5-10ish minutes. If you guys are new, be sure to subscribe to the channel, by the way. Make sure to hit the notification button, turn on notifications so you get notified whenever I upload.
Turn around when it is safe to do so.
How long have you been streaming? Yeah, I've been streaming for 2 hours and 16 minutes, almost 2.5 hours. See, like, realizing it now, the footage that got leaked a while ago, not even a while ago, maybe like a week or two ago, is just demo footage. It was just demo footage of, like, the Focus RS race that you do. Oops, I was looking at chat. Ooh, what are you in, Zach? That's a Renault, never mind. Boring. Play with some friends. It's not multiplayer, which kind of sucks. I really thought it would be multiplayer because the FH3 demo was multiplayer, but this one isn't, which kind of blows. But the game does show you a lot. It's a lot more than what the FH3 demo was. It shows multiple cars. FH3 was limited to 3. This game you can drive, I think, 6. I want to say 5 or 6, maybe even 7. I don't know. It's really cool that you can drive the Senna. I didn't think you'd be able to after the intro scene. You can upgrade your car in this for some reason. It's very interesting. You can change your wheels. You can't change your paint job or anything. Drift suspension is in this. You can drive the Chiron at some point. Got a Chiron. It's pretty cool. Okay, so we already saw the drag strip. These probably just lead around to the center thing. Okay, this is what I haven't seen yet. I didn't drive in here. This looks really cool. This is just another road, but the fact that you can drive under like this thing is really nice. It's like a torn down castle. I guess I can go in photo mode for this actually. Just fly around and look. Some nice grass area. Little arch. What's over here? Ferris wheel. See, like, these two things are reskins from FH3. I know that. It's still cool. There's another entrance. Another one. There's a roundabout in here? Oh, okay, that's cool. It's like a little drifting area, I think. I'm not sure, though. It's just so happened to be a circle here for some reason. Yeah, there really isn't much, but it's really cool. Like, I like the design and the layout of this here. It's like a ticket booth. Ooh, wait, is that where the band's playing? No, it's just a staircase. Okay. I don't know, this place is really nice though. It's sick. But why is it so big, the demo at 27 gig? That's just what it is. I don't even remember how much the FH3 demo was. I could check actually. Do I even have the FH3 demo in my thing? Ready to install. Here, I'll look it up. Because I don't see the FH3 full game is... Full FH3 game is 51.4 gigabytes. That makes a lot of sense. Microsoft Store. Does the progress save? I do not know that yet. Just got back from an appointment. What did I miss? I honestly don't know. I don't know when you left, Lance. If we check this. Okay, here's the FH3 demo. How much space does this take? Okay, I can see the difference. This is 18.49 gigs, but like... Every time you start up the demo, you have to start over, unfortunately. Okay, I did not know that, and that's gonna suck. Yo, what? Okay, I just realized this. This is kind of a theory that someone should have came up with. The demo's released on the same exact day as the FH. That's so weird. How come no one noticed that? Bro, that so could have been a theory that someone came up with. Why didn't anyone think of that? Huh. That's interesting, actually. Does it feel smooth and is it worth getting the Ultimate Edition? Yes. If you are a huge car fan and love Forza, getting the Ultimate Edition just for like 4 days early is worth it, in my opinion. Why can't you see the demo? Yeah, here, I'll show you. Install. No. You know, I'll install it, because why not? I might want to play through the demo again, just for memories. Be like a throwback or something. Forza Horizon 4. See, look. If you type in Forza Horizon 4, it doesn't pop up yet. But if you type out Forza Horizon 4 demo, it is there. It just disappeared. Where'd it go? There it is. Okay. The demo is in the thing. I don't know why it did. I don't know why it disappeared when I typed no. Oh, and I just deleted the whole thing. Well, hang on. It's Horizon 4 demo. Okay, I don't know why it disappears when you type in demo, but once you delete the O, it pops up for some reason. So, just type in Forza Horizon 4. Oh, well, now it's not there. What the heck? It's there now. Like, okay, I don't know why this is so, like, glitchy, but it's on the thing. It is there. You can see that it says Forza Horizon 4 demo on the screen. It is there. I don't know why it's not popping up for some people. It's kind of glitchy, but try and, like, pay attention to your screen whenever you're installing it or something. Because it is here. It's obviously right here. Like, I just showed you guys. So, what was I going to do last? I don't remember. Okay. Drone Oh yeah, I was gonna like get in the freaking focus and drift on that thing real quick, just for fun. The live stream is about to end though, which kind of sucks, but jeez. Got maybe like 5 more minutes and I'll end it. Where is T-Circle? Yeah, who's garbage? Why is the category racing and flying? I have no idea. I think it was the same for FH3. Okay, yep. You kind of get used to drifting in this game. It feels different. Okay. All right. If you are new, be sure to subscribe, but this is going to be the end of the live stream. There isn't really anything else I can show you guys in this. This will become a full like video on my channel in a couple hours. I will pretty much re-upload this, I guess you want to say. It will be on my channel if you guys want to start from the beginning if you missed anything. So, if you guys enjoyed, please leave a like if you haven't already. Subscribe if you are new. Turn on notifications. I cannot wait until this full game comes out. It's going to be so much fun recording videos and streaming it. So, 16 days until the full release of the Ultimate Edition for this game. That is the deadline. I cannot wait for it, and I guarantee you guys can't either, so. Yep, without further ado, this is the end, and I will see you guys in the next video or live stream. Peace out.